असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now see the next one. Reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay. So here we are taking stand and test tubes, okay, and funnels, right. So here first of all this is the Tisle funnel and this is the delivery tube. Okay, stand and this is the test tube. Right. Now here in this test tube we have to take the sodium carbonate, nothing but Na2CO3. Okay. So here we have to take the sodium carbonate 0.5 grams. Okay, and add a 10 ml of dilute HCl in this. Okay, now we are taken hydrochloric acid and sodium carbonate in this test tube. So after some time the sodium carbonates will dissolve in this HCl. So what will happen here? So here from this the gas will be released. So this Tisle funnel is used to to do not evaporate the gas to out, right. So when one acid is mixed with a metal, so at that time the gas will be released. So that gas is reacted with the atmospheric air. So to do not go out the gas, here we are using the Tisle funnel, and in this test tube we need to take the lime water. Okay. So in this we are taking lime water, nothing but calcium hydroxide. Okay. Now here the released gas we have to pass this delivery tube. Okay. So when we are passing this delivery tube, the gas is formed in this test tube. So here the white precipitate will be formed in this test tube. Okay. So the calcium hydroxide means the lime water is changed into milky white precipitate, right. So here the chemical equation takes place here. We can write that. So here I will write that. So first of all we are taken the metal carbonate Na2CO3 and we are mixing with the acid HCl. Okay. So we need to take the 2 molecules of HCl here. So we will get salt and carbon dioxide and water. Okay. So from this the CO2 gas will be released. Okay. When the metal carbonate is mixed with the acid, there it will form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Okay. We are passing the carbon dioxide through the delivery tube into the lime water solution. So there we get precipitate, right. So see here. So when this calcium hydroxide is mixed with this carbon dioxide gas, here we will get the precipitate, that is CaCO3. Okay. So this is the precipitate. We can write this is a white precipitate. Okay. So on passing excess carbon dioxide through this solution, the white precipitate will be dissolved, right? When we are passing the excess of carbon dioxide through this delivery tube into this test tube, the white precipitate which is formed in this, that is dissolved. So we can write that equation. So here we will get, okay, this is a soluble in water. Here I will write clearly. Okay, this is soluble in water, right? So this is a reaction here. So remember that here we are taken metal carbonate, and this metal carbonate is reacting with acid. So it will give here salt, carbon dioxide and water. So we are taking here sodium carbonate. So if we are taking here sodium bicarbonate instead of this sodium carbonate, okay, so we have to take in a next experiment sodium bicarbonate in the test tube, and we have to add dilute HCl to this sodium bicarbonate pellets, right? So again here this sodium bicarbonate is dissolved in this HCl. When it is dissolving, it will release as a gas. Again we have to pass this gas through the delivery tube into this lime water solution. Again we will observe the white precipitate formed in this test tube. Okay, by passing excess of carbon dioxide to this delivery tube into this lime water solution, the white precipitate will be dissolved, right? So we will get the same result, that is a soluble in water, right? So here the equation is changed, NaHCO3, okay. So here I will write this is near to this. Now when sodium bicarbonate sodium bicarbonate is mixing with acid, it will give salt, carbon dioxide and water. So when we are passing this carbon dioxide through the lime water, we will get the white precipitate, yes, calcium carbonate that is, and water, right? When we are passing the excess of carbon dioxide through the delivery tube into the lime water solution, the precipitate will be dissolved, right? We will get like this compound, right? This is the soluble in water, okay. So we can say that here the metal carbonate and hydrogen metal carbonate, when they are reacted with acid, they will form salt, carbon dioxide and water, right? Fertilizer form of chemical reactions of these reactions. Here we are taken metal carbonate and plus acid. So it will form salt and carbon dioxide plus water, right? And when metal hydrogen carbonate is reacted with acid, will form salt, carbon dioxide and plus water, okay. This is the reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates.